Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2018 NX 300 F Sport Series 2 in the ultra white finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into a Royal VIP rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low-mileage, local Calgary car with a clean, accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include premium triple beam LED headlamps with the auto leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, headlamp washers, F Sport front grille, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, automatic high beam, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, power liftgate, heated steering wheel, center locking differential, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power folding side mirrors, driver seat memory seating, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, also equipped with the pre-collision, a 10.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, a 10-speaker Lexus premium audio system, drive mode select, electronic parking brake, remote touchpad, sunroof, also equipped with Safety Connect, flare red interior in great condition, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.